machine.
Hi everybody, FloridasBluestAngel here, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys today. I got the Ferrara Box from Ferrara Market. I've been wanting to try it for a while now after I've been watching Cat D's unboxing and Franklin FM Beginners. And the box looks really cool, and I got the anime box. I was hoping to get the Disney, but I missed the deadline for that, so I got the anime one. I don't know much about anime, but I can't wait to see what's in it. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, next month's theme is horror, which I'm definitely gonna get. I love horror items, so that's gonna be cool. And then take a picture of your Ferrara box and post it on Twitter or Instagram to try to win a $50 gift card. So that'd be cool to do. Okay, first item in the box is a Pokemon back, which is super cool. I do love I used to love Pokemon when I was younger. First item we have is a Pokemon book bag, which is super cool. It's really neat. It's from Loungefly, which is good company. So this backpack, it's got Ghastly, Haunter, and Gengar, and it's really cool. I might use this, I'm not sure, or maybe I'll give it to somebody, but this backpack's really cool. It'd be cool to travel with and whatnot, and I like the material. It's really nice. I do love Pokemon. Well, not anymore, but this is really cool item to get. Next we have some socks. We have some socks from My Hero Academia. These are pretty neat. I like the little wings on the side. Ooh, and they're soft too. These are cool socks. So I'll probably keep these because these are neat. I like neat socks. So, okay, next we have Attack on Titan fully posable action vinyls mystery boxes. These are pretty cool. They're from the Loyal Subjects and things. So these are pretty cool. I kind of like Attack on Titan. I watched a couple of episodes over the summer, and I watched Jacksepticeye play an Attack on Titan game, and he's really into Attack on Titan. So I hope to get like Aaron or Levi, maybe Mikasa. That would be cool. So let's see what we got. Hey, we got Aaron Yeager from Attack on Titan. That's pretty cool. Fully posable. Pretty neat. He's super cute. And then comes with a card. Aaron Yeager. So he's 2 out of 12. So 1 out of 6. So that's really cool. He's super cute. And then he comes with his swords, which is pretty neat. It's a cute figure. So if that's our first one. And let's see what we got in the second one. Okay, we got a second Aaron. But he's pretty cool. Cute. Eric. Again, I'll probably give this away in a future giveaway. Yay. That's so cool. Yeah. So those were our Attack on Titan figures, which is pretty cool. And we got 3 more items in the box. We have some Dorbs, Seraph of the End, Vampire Rain, Michaela Hayakuya, I don't know. But 3,000 pieces. Limited to 3,000 pieces, which is pretty cool. She's cute, but I never seen this or heard of this anime. That's pretty cool. She's cute. I'll probably give that away in the giveaway future. Then we have another Seraph of the End, Vampire Raid, Shinoa Haragi, Specialty Series, Funko Pop. It's pretty cool. So those 2 doors. And then our last doors and last item in the box. We have 5,000, limited 5,000 pieces, Tokyo Ghoul. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but that's pretty neat. And it comes in a Dorbs protector, which is cool. I have heard of Tokyo Ghoul, but I really don't know. Never watched it, but that's pretty neat. So that was my first Ferrara box. And for being anime and not really one that I really wanted, it was really awesome. I have to say, they did a good job. And I really like this Pokemon backpack, which is super cool. And the Attack on Titan figures are neat too. And of course, the socks are cool. I just love socks, which sounds weird, but I like socks. So those are really cool. So I like this box, and I cannot wait for the horror box. I'm excited for that. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.